How are you today?
Um,
Happy? Okay, tell me the weather today. How's the weather?
the weather is
Cloudy and a little bit cold. Yeah? Do you like it? Yes, I like cold weather, but I don't like super cold. A little cold is okay, right? Okay, you're not wearing your jacket. Are you feeling cold now? Oh, now your hands are cold. Alright, so today is our speaking test, and we need to answer some of the questions in part 1 and in part 2. Part 1, here. You need to speak a little bit, what? Loudly, okay?
Yes.
And you need to tell me what do you see in the picture. But first question is, what is this place? It's a
supermarket.
very nice. And in the supermarket, love, what do you see? I can see Is this a real monkey? It's a toy, right? Toy monkey, right? Toy monkey. Next, I can see pineapples, right? Oranges, grapes. Then what else? Some. Some. Water or cheese, right? And flowers on the. Alright, good job. Now let's move on to part 2. Okay, love? Part 2, I want you to tell me what are these pictures. What is this? It's a it's a depot. I don't want to hear it. It's good. They are. It's shell. Do not say shell. Say shell. Yeah. It's there. Okay, shell, look, bear, eyes. Okay? Now, I want you to place put it here, okay? And then listen to my question, okay? Listen to my instruction. Place the pen on the table. Place the pen on the table. On. Where? On. Here. This is the pen. Okay, next. Fish. Put the fish next to mom. Put the fish next to mom. Next to. Good. Put the bear between mom and dad. Good. Put the book above the pineapples. Above. Remember the word, okay? Above. Now, let's move on. Put the clock next to pen. Next to pen. Are you ready? Now tell me, where are the pictures? Go. The book is above the next fish is
John.
Okay, Mom, where is the fish? Next. Be- Between. Where is the bear? Big. Between. Between. Mom and Dad. Okay, don't forget love. Oh no. Between, okay? Mom and Dad. And the fish is? Very good. Okay. Well, there's some errors, but I think you did well today. Okay, are you happy?